How to create Linktree and put them on your Instagram profile. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create Linktree, how you can customize them, and how to put them on your Instagram profile. Okay, so let's get into it. So the first step is obviously to log into your Linktree. Now, there are a few options to do that. You can use your Google account. I think that is the easiest one, and I did it also. I trust you on that process. It's pretty easy. Now let's get to the real stuff. Okay, so when you're first logged into your Linktree, you will be greeted with this web page. And there are a few things that we should note here. We can add a link, or there's a new feature in Linktree where you can create your sort of store in your Linktree. This is extra useful if you're a store, but you do need to add a valid product. So it is best to use this feature if you already have an existing store website, maybe a Shopify or TikTok shop, to name a few. And in this video, I'm going to focus on adding the link. So adding the link itself is pretty easy. As you can see now, I have one link active, which is the best productivity app, which links to an Amazon shop. This is just random, but to add a link, just click add link over here, and you can enter whatever URL you want it to be in. I'm just going to put facebook.com as an example. Facebook.com as the URL, and click add. And let's wait for Linktree to activate this link, and there you go. It is already showing up. And the cool thing about Linktree is that you can live preview your Linktree page to make sure everything works. Okay, so let's edit the placeholder for our new link over here by clicking the pencil button on the right side of the text, and let's change this to connect with me on Facebook. Now, there's a better way to do socials on Linktree that I will explain to you later on, but this is just to show you a general idea on how to add a link. And now let's add one more link so that it looks more like real. And let's add twitter.com. In this example, you can add any URL, really. You can add to your product URL. You can add to your Amazon affiliate shopping list if you have one. I think that's great too. You can also add to your latest blog web page if you have a blog. The possibilities are endless, really, in terms of adding the links. And let's change this to my socials, just as an example, right? But generally, I saw Linktree used as a link to the newest news article on a news Instagram account, or like the latest product in a product account. So you can be creative in determining which link you want to be in your Linktree. Now, once we have 3 links already readily available, you can change the order of these links. You can change the a lot of settings over here. Now, one thing in particular that I think very interesting is the thumbnail. You can add a thumbnail in each of the links, and this thumbnail will change the appearance of your link. Now, you can upload your own thumbnail with your own file in your website, or you can choose one of these icons that Linktree has provided for us. Let's choose this basketball option. Now, as you can see, it is adding an icon on the left side of the link, which I think looks neat. Now, you can also prioritize your link, but this isn't a premium feature. You can also schedule when your links will be active. I think this is best if you want to have maybe a flash sale on your other platform, your shopping platform maybe. Now, you can set this also as a redirect instead of a link tree. and you can change the layout. As you can see, you have a classic layout or a featured layout. Now this layout is extra useful for you to make one of your links stand out, and there you go. Now you can change this picture over here by simply setting the thumbnail to a picture instead of an icon over here. Okay, so that's all for the link side of things, I think. But there are other things that we can do. Now, one of the things that we can do is let's go to appearance first. And on this appearance tab on top, we can change our image profile or profile image, and you can change your profile title. So by default, I think your link will be associated with your Linktree account, but of course, I think in most cases you want to change your profile title to match your own branding in Instagram. And you can add the bio, and now let's add an example bio over here. The best tech tip. Let's add this, the best tech tips. And there you go. It will appear just under the profile icon. The next thing that is useful, and this is what I mean by a better way to approach social media in Linktree, is that you can add social icons in Linktree. Now, this social icon involves a lot of social media accounts, but the idea is you put your social media information over here. Like, for example, if you're going to show this to Instagram, use this Linktree in Instagram, you might want to add a YouTube account for that. And that is extra useful in my opinion. If you are a YouTuber, for example, let's see the YouTube URL to be youtube.com/your account name, and it will appear over here. But in this example, I won't show you the functionality of it because I am not planning to show my other socials on my Linktree, but the feature's there and it's there for you to use. Now, the next cool thing, I think, if you're feeling strong about a certain topic, Linktree currently has 3 options over here. You have Stand with Ukraine, Anti-Racism, and Pride. Whichever narrative that you support at the time, you can also choose to show firmly that you also stand with those narratives. There you go. And I think that's pretty much it for the other options over here. Let's change the background. Okay, so let's change the background. And to do that, you go back to appearance, and then we can go all the way down, scroll down until you find themes over here. Now, most themes are paid, but as you can see, there are also a lot of free themes over here. Now, I think Air Moon with the plain white background with the blue links over here looks very clean. However, you can change it to whatever theme you feel like. And there are a lot of cool themes to choose from. And I believe you can create your own also, maybe using your background photo. And that is as simple as on the bottom over here in the custom appearance tab, you can find a gradient, and there you go. That's what I meant by a cover of your own photo. So you can change your background to maybe one of your beautiful shots if you're a photographer. I think that's very cool. And that is pretty much it for Linktree. The next step, which is the last step to put your Linktree in your Instagram, is just to copy your Linktree over here and go to Instagram, go to edit profile, and you might want to add it in your bio, or you might want it to add it to your website. And in this case, I'm just going to add it to my bio. Oops, this is not my Linktree, in fact. Let's click copy URL over here and let's paste it. And there you go. And just click submit. Now, one pro tip is to add a URL shortener. Now, as I said, Linktree by default puts your name on the link by default, right? Now, if you want to change this link tree, of course you can do that. You can just go to a URL shortener. In this case, I'm just going to use tiny URL, and you can change your custom link. Now, for example, you can change to like your branding name, and you can change this link tree to your short. Okay, never mind. My URL is banned for some reason, but you should be able to do it. And you can copy and paste your shortened URL as your link tree instead in your Instagram bio. And that is all from me. Thank you very much for watching.